hiatus, the Nike SB Air Trainer 1 is making a comeback through a bold collaboration with Southern California-based Arts Rec. Following their earlier earth-toned SB Dunk Low with safari prints, Arts Rec now presents a vibrant take on the classic Air Trainer 1. This silhouette, originally launched in the late 80s and embraced by Nike SB in the early 2000s, was last seen in a surprise 2019 release. The updated version features a rich blend of browns, reds, and pinks, highlighted by custom patterns on the toe and heel, along with Arts Rec branding on the forefoot strap. While the official launch is scheduled for July 18, 2025, exact details about distribution, whether through SNKRS or skate retailers, have yet to be confirmed. By reviving a fan-favorite silhouette and merging it with local creative energy, Nike is once again tapping into skate culture's love for unique storytelling and heritage-driven design.